Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed our exercise 10.4. Now we are going to discuss some more questions which are miscellaneous examples and miscellaneous exercise. We are going towards miscellaneous questions. Example number 27 is here. If I cap plus j cap plus k cap, 2I cap plus 5j cap, 3I cap plus 2j cap minus 3k cap and I cap minus 6j cap minus k cap are the position vectors of the points A, B, C and D. Are the position vectors of A, B, C and D respectively. Then find the angle between vector AB and vector CD and hence deduce that AB vector and CD vector are collinear. Deduce that નો મીનિંગ ધ્યાન રાખજો. તમે જે રિઝલ્ટ અહીંથી ઓબ્ટેન કર્યા હશે એ રિઝલ્ટ નો યુઝ કરીને જ તમારે પ્રૂવ કરવાનું છે કે AB વેક્ટર એન્ડ CD વેક્ટર્સ આર કોલિનિયર. બીજી કોઈ મેથડ્સ થી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ નથી કરવાનું. ઓકે, therefore we have to use the result which we have obtained in the calculation of this portion. આગળના પોર્શન્સ માં જે બી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ નો યુઝ કરીશું, જે બી કેલ્ક્યુલેશન્સ આયા હશે એનો જ યુઝ કરીને આપણે પ્રૂવ કરીશું કે AB વેક્ટર એન્ડ CD વેક્ટર્સ આર કોલિનિયર વેક્ટર્સ. નાઉ see here. ચલો વેક્ટર A, પોઝિશન વેક્ટર A 1 1 1. B, position vector of B 2 5 and k cap is not there, therefore 0. So the C point is that 3 2 minus 3 and D point is that 1 minus 6 minus 1 are the position vectors A, B, C, D respectively. Now we have to find the angle between vector AB and vector CD. Therefore we have to obtain first vector AB. So vector AB means position vector of B minus position vector of A. So B minus A. Therefore I will get 2 minus 1 1, 5 minus 1 4 and 0 minus 1 minus 1 here. Next CD vector. Next second vector is CD vector. Therefore position vector of D minus position vector of C, we will get 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 6 minus 2 minus 8 and minus 1 minus 3 means plus 3 minus 1 plus 3 which is equals to plus 2. Now the angle between vector AB and vector CD is given by cos theta, which is equals to AB dot CD divided by magnitude of vector AB into magnitude of vector CD. Now vector AB and CD is given here, therefore use that vectors. We are getting vector AB is 1 4 minus 1 dot vector CD minus 2 minus 8 and 2 divided by magnitude of vector AB means under root 1 plus 16 plus 1 into under root 2 square 4 plus 8 square 64 plus 2 square 4 here. Now simplify this thing. We are getting cos theta equals to 1 into minus 2 minus 2, 4 into minus 8 minus 32 and minus 1 into 2 minus 2 here divided by under root 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 18, 16 plus 1 17 plus 1 18 under root 18 into under root 64 plus 4 68 plus 4 72 is that. Okay. Now simplify this thing. We are getting cos theta equals to -2 -32 -34 and -2 -36 divide by under root 18 અને આ થઈ જશે under root 18 means 3 9 2 is 3 root 2 into under root 72 means 36 2s are 72 36 નું square root આવશે 6 root 2. Okay, therefore we can write cos theta which is equals to -36 divided by 6 3s are 18 into 2 36. Therefore value of cos theta will be equals to -1. When cos theta equals to -1, then the value of theta equals to pi, because we know that the angle theta lies between 0 to pi. 0 less than equals to theta less than equals to pi for any two vectors. Angle between them lies between 0 to pi. Therefore we are considering angle between vector AB and CD is equals to pi. Now the angle find out થઈ ગયો. હવે શું deduce that vector AB and vector CD are collinear. The angle between vector AB and vector CD is pi. Therefore we can say that they are collinear vectors. Angle between them here angle between vector AB and vector CD is pi. Therefore AB vector and CD vector are collinear vectors. They are collinear vectors. Clear? આ રીતે તમે collinear vectors भी પ્રૂવ કરી શકશો. જે તમે રિઝલ્ટ અપડેટ કર્યો એ જ રિઝલ્ટનો યુઝ કરીને કરવાનું, because deduce that એવું તમને લખી આપ્યું છે. બાકી collinear પ્રૂવ કરવા હોય તો શું કરવું પડશે? AB વેક્ટર ઇક્વલ્સ ટુ લેમ્ડા ટાઇમ્સ CD વેક્ટર કન્સિડર કરો, લેમ્ડાની વેલ્યુ અપડેટ કરો. For three case ત્રણેયમાં લેમ્ડાની વેલ્યુ સેમ આવે તો કહેવાનું કે they are collinear vectors, otherwise non collinear vectors. but એ સેકન્ડ મેથડ છે, અત્યારે યુઝ થશે નહીં. ઓકે, now the next question, exercise 10 question number 1. Write down a unit vector in xy plane. xy plane માં આપણે unit vector find out કરવાનો છે. that means magnitude of vector is 1 unit as well as z coordinate is equals to 0. Why? Because our vector lies in xy plane only, therefore z component always 0. Making an angle of 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. The angle with the positive direction of x-axis is given here. It is known as our direction angle alpha, which is equals to 30 degree. Okay. First of all, let the unit vector in xy plane is vector A equals to A1, A2 and 0. Z coordinate always 0 here. Okay. Now vector A is unit vector, therefore we can say that magnitude of vector A is equals to 1. The magnitude of vector A is under root A1 square plus A2 square equals to 1. Therefore A1 square plus A2 square equals to 1. This is our result number 1. Here two variables are there, A1 and A2. We have to find that variables because we have to obtain the value of vector A. Now it is given that the angle of 30 degree, the vector making angle 30 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. A vector is making angle 30 degree with positive direction of x axis means I cap કહેવાય તો ચાલ આ કુના લખવું તો I cap લખી દો. Therefore we can say that alpha equals to 30 degree. Therefore cos alpha, which is equals to a1 by magnitude of vector a, where a1 divided by magnitude of vector a. Therefore cos 30 degree equals to a1 by magnitude of vector a is 1. Therefore we can get a1 equals to cos 30 degree means root 3 by 2. Cos 30 degree, which is equals to root 3 by 2. A1 will be obtained here. Now put a1 equals to root 30 by 2 in equation number 1. We will get root 3 by 2, we will get 3 by 4 plus a2 square equals to 1. Therefore a2 square equals to 1 minus 3 by 4. Answer will be 1 by 4. Therefore a2 equals to 1 by 2. આપણે xy પ્લેન માં જોઈએ છે વેક્ટર એટલે આપણે પોઝિટિવ જ લઈશું 1 2. ચલો તો આપણો a1 root 3 by 2, a2 1 by 2. Therefore required unit vector a equals to so the same a1 means root 3 by 2, a2 means 1 by 2 and 0 here. This is your required unit vector. Answer of your question. Clear? Now we are going to discuss two more questions. Exercise 10, question number 2 is there. Find the scalar components and magnitude of the vector joining the points P x1 y1 z1 and Q x2 y2 z2. Here point P and Q are there. Point P is x1 y1 z1 and point Q is x2 y2 z2 here. Now we have to obtain the components of vector joining P and Q, that means vector PQ. First of all, obtain the vector PQ means position vector of Q minus position vector of P. Therefore I will get vector PQ equals to x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. This is our vector PQ. Okay, therefore scalar components of vector PQ are, first one is x2 minus x1, second one is y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. If they are asking for the vector components, then we have to put x2 minus x1 I cap, y2 minus y1 j cap and z2 minus z1 k cap here. Now the magnitude of vector PQ, which is denoted as magnitude of vector PQ, which is equals to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. This is our magnitude of vector PQ. Okay, now we are going to discuss our question number 3 of exercise 10. A girl walks 4 kilometers towards west, then she walks 3 kilometers in the direction 30 degree east of north and stops. Determine the girl's displacement from her initial point of departure. चलो गर्ल्स डिस्प्लेसमेंट फ्रॉम हर इनिशियल पॉइंट ऑफ डिपार्चर फाइंड आउट करવાનું છે. અહીંયા તમારે ડાયરેક્શન્સ ની જરૂર છે એટલે આપણે ડાયરેક્શન્સ બી લઈ લઈએ. સપોઝ ધીસ ઇઝ નોર્થ, સાઉથ, this one is east and this one is our west direction. First of all, she walks 4 kilometers towards west. 4 kilometers towards west. This is 4 kilometers towards west. Okay? This is point origin E O. Origin 0 0. This point is A. This point is A. So now she starts from point A and she walks 3 kilometers in a direction 30 degree east of north. मतलब north ની east side એ 3 kilometer move કરે છે. Okay? This is the 3 kilometer and this is 30 degree east of north. Okay? Now she makes some vector OB is our displacement. Our required vector OB is our displacement vector. Okay? From initial point to the final point. At point B, she will stop. Okay? It has stop here. Clear? Now see here. This is vector OA. This is vector AB. So OA plus vector AB equals to vector OB. Triangles law of addition of vectors. So vectors na addition માટે triangles law તમે જોઈ શકો છો. This is vector OA plus vector AB equals to vector OB, and we want the vector OB. Therefore OB equals to OA vector plus AB vector. First of all, we have to obtain the OA vector as well as AB vector here. So first, OA vector which is in negative direction of x-axis, origin છે તો negative direction માં ગણીએ તો minus 4i cap plus 0j cap. This is OA vector. Okay? Now obtain the AB vector. How can we obtain the AB vector? So we know that this angle is 60 degree. Now components of vector AB are AM and BM. This is our cos component. This is our sin component. Suppose this is your origin. તમે આ origin ને shift કરીને consider કરો તો AB vectors ના તમને component સાથે vectors મળી જશે. Therefore AM component equals to AB cos theta and BM component equals to AB sin theta. Now see here, magnitude of AB is 3 and cos theta means cos 60 degree. Same way, BM equals to AB is 3 and sin angle is 60 degree. Calculate sin cos 60 is 1 by 2, therefore I will get 3 into 1 by 2, AM equals to 3 by 2, and BM which is equals to 3 into root 3 by 2. Therefore AM component is ready here, BM component is ready here. Therefore we can say that vector AB equals to AM I cap plus BM J cap. So AM તમારી x direction નો component છે આ બાજુ અને BM એ તમારી y direction નો component છે. તો AB vector મળી જશે તમને 3 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap here. This is our vector AB. Okay? Now we want displacement. That means now displacement vector, displacement which is equals to our OB vector from initial to final, which is equals to OA vector plus AB vector. OA vector plus AB vector. Now OB vector which is equals to OA vector. OA vector is minus 4 I cap plus 0 j cap plus OAB vector 3 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap here. So OA vector and OAB vectors are there. Now simplify this one. I cap સાથે એડ થાય. Therefore we will get OB vector equals to minus 4 plus 3 by 2 I cap plus 0 plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap here. Therefore I will get OB vector which is equals to minus 4 plus 3 by 2 minus 4 plus 3 by 2 which is equals to minus 4 plus 3 by 2 which is equals to 8 to minus 3 is minus 5 by 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap. આ થયો તમારો OB વેક્ટર જેને કહેવાય ડિસ્પ્લેસમેન્ટ વેક્ટર ઓફ ધેટ કર્વ. ક્લિયર? સારું, આજના વિડિયોમાં આ ક્વેશ્ચન થોડો કટ થયો છે, તમને મેં સમજાવ્યો છે, તમે સમજી શકો છો અને રાઇટ ડાઉન બી કરી શકો છો. હવે ક્લિયર દેખાય છે, વિઝિબલ છે અને સમજવો બી અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડેબલ છે. સારું, હવે વાત કરીએ છીએ આપણે આજના ટોપિક્સમાં જે બી ક્વેશ્ચન્સ જોયા એ મિસલેનિયસ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ ના હતા, મિસલેનિયસ એક્સરસાઇઝ ના હતા, બટ ક્વેશ્ચન બહુ ઈઝી હતા, બહુ ડિફિકલ્ટ હતા નહીં અને લોજિકલ થોડાક હતા. ઓકે, તો આજના વિડીયોમાં ખબર પડી હોય તો લાઈક કરો, કોમેન્ટ કરો અને આપણી આ ચેનલને સબસ્ક્રાઇબ ના કરી હોય તો સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરી દો ફટાફટ. થેન્ક યુ વેરી મચ.